I wonder, is it a leaf or a map to a lair? Is it a cloud or a lost polar bear? Is it a raindrop or a potion for joy? Is it a chestnut or a gift-wrapped toy? I wonder, is it a dust mote or a sliver of gold? Is it a sand grain or a gem to behold? Is it a twig or a wand in a crow's beak? Is it wonder I always seem to seek? Will I show you some of my treasures and see if we can make up a story?
Reads and Rhymes Together started in 2022. It was inspired by the author Deirdre Sullivan and her experience here at the paediatric ICU at CHI Crumlin. And Deirdre spoke to us about what families need when they're in hospital and how a book can help to make things better.
I was thinking about this sense of home and this sense of togetherness and connection that it had given me, particularly at the points where you feel very helpless. There was something I could kind of rely on, like you can play in the pages of a book in the world that the artists, illustrators and makers build. I began to think about what you could do to give children who were going through something similar and parents who were going through something similar that sense of connection and that sense of being able to bring home and to bring a sense of kind of normalcy and play into what is quite a difficult situation to be in. And so I kind of put a document together and sent it to Children's Books Ireland, and they worked their magic.
I suppose as a nursing staff, it's nice to be able to guide parents to say there is books on the board, you can read your baby a story. I think it's really beneficial, it's really positive for parents, so they have that little bit of interaction within a hospital environment, and it's really good for them for their bonding and communication with their babies. I suppose even having today on the ward the sensory reading sessions are really beneficial. I suppose we've had parents that have had positive feedback and felt that it really, I suppose, brightened their day.
And we've also brought an artist in residence into the programme, Eve MacDonald, who's going to be working to create communities of readers across the hospital.
I think the most important aspect of this programme has been getting to meet the mums and the dads and the carers of each of those children and to share something really special with them, which is reading time, it's story time. So to see them see the joy in their children is worth tenfold. When everybody's smiling in that room and we're sharing a special story together, it's quite magical.
The outcomes of the project are really obvious to me. The idea that creativity and joy are here in amongst us in small and special ways, even just for 20 minutes or 5 minutes or whatever it happens to be, that children and young people and the things they need and want here, that access to a creative and cultural life is celebrated, and we offer it across the space.
At Children's Books Ireland, what we want is for every child to be a reader. And if we can make that happen at CHI, it's a really great start.
It's been an absolute pleasure being part of this Reads and Rhymes Together initiative, getting people together and creating a community spirit around stories and around books and around reading. This is the start of something really special.